Winter is here, and while we're cozying up with blankets and hot cocoa, your succulents are shivering in their pots. Yes, even these tough little plants need a winter survival guide, especially if you're a beginner. So, how do we keep their plump, green leaves from turning into mushy, frostbitten sadness? Welcome to Eslite Greenhouse Academy, your go-to for succulent success. Today, we're breaking down winter, briefing tips to save your succulents from the dreaded leaf drop. Stay with us, because these tricks are beginner-friendly, science-backed, and plant-saving magic. First things first, not all succulents are created equal. Some thrive in chilly weather, like sempervivum, aka hens and chicks, while others like Echeveria are tropical divas that hate the cold. Research your succulent species. Knowing whether they're hardy or tender will guide you in providing the right care. Your succulents may not be sunbathing in summer anymore, but they still crave light. Position them near a south-facing window to soak up as much winter sunlight as possible. However, watch out for extreme temperature changes near windows. If the glass gets icy, move your plants a bit farther away. Cold drafts can cause shock and leaf drop faster than you can save frozen aloe. If natural sunlight isn't an option, use a grow light. It's like giving your plants a cozy reading lamp for the dark winter days. Here is the golden rule: when in doubt, don't water. In winter, succulents go into dormancy, meaning they need far less water to stay healthy. Overwatering is like giving them a rainstorm when they only need a drizzle. Check the soil before watering. If it's bone dry, give it a small drink. If it's still moist, back away. Trust me, root rot isn't the winter gift your plants are hoping for. If your succulents are outside, it's time to bring them in or insulate them. Frost cloths, burlap, or even old bedsheets can shield them from freezing temperatures. For indoor plants, avoid placing them near heaters or vents. Sudden blasts of heat can dehydrate the leaves, leading to you guessed it, leaf drop. Here's a quick fix. Use a tray of pebbles and water under your pots to boost humidity without overwatering. Your plants will thank you with plump, happy leaves. No plant parent is perfect, and sometimes frost damage happens despite our best efforts. If you notice blackened or mushy leaves, don't panic. Trim them off with sterilized scissors to prevent rot from spreading. Remember, succulents are resilient. With a little love, they'll bounce back stronger. Think of it as the winter bird camp. And there you have it, your ultimate winter survival guide for succulents. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these tips will keep your plants looking fabulous all season long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eslite Greenhouse Academy for more plant care wisdom.